Presenting a pre-owned 2021 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.